Windows are a key element of any home, offering light, ventilation, and aesthetic appeal. For homeowners in Little Rock, double-hung windows are a versatile and practical choice that can enhance comfort, functionality, and style. With their classic design and modern features, double-hung windows are a popular option for both new construction and window replacement projects. Here are the top benefits of double-hung windows for Little Rock homes and why they're a smart investment. Enhanced ventilation. One of the standout features of double-hung windows is their ability to provide excellent ventilation. With two operable sashes, one at the top and one at the bottom, double-hung windows offer flexible airflow options. Ventilation benefits. Open the bottom sash to let in fresh air while keeping the top sash closed for added security. Open both sashes simultaneously for improved air circulation and cross-ventilation, especially in warmer months. Reduce indoor humidity by allowing stale, moist air to escape through the top sash. In Little Rock's variable climate, double-hung windows make it easy to maintain a comfortable indoor environment year-round. Energy efficiency. Modern double-hung windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind, helping Little Rock homeowners save on heating and cooling costs. Energy-saving features. Double or triple glazing. Multiple panes of glass with insulating gas reduce heat transfer and improve thermal performance. Low-E glass coatings. Reflect heat and block UV rays, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Tight seals. Prevent air leaks and drafts, ensuring consistent indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient double-hung windows contribute to a more sustainable home and lower utility bills, a major benefit in Little Rock's hot summers and cool winters. Easy cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning windows can be a hassle, especially for homes with multiple stories. Double-hung windows solve this problem with their convenient tilt-in sashes. Maintenance benefits. Both sashes tilt inward, allowing you to clean the interior and exterior glass from inside your home. Durable materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, cracking, and fading, reducing the need for repairs. Modern finishes and hardware are designed to withstand Little Rock's humid climate, ensuring long-lasting performance. With minimal effort, you can keep your double-hung windows looking pristine and functioning smoothly. Timeless aesthetic appeal. Double-hung windows have a classic design that suits a wide range of architectural styles, making them a versatile option for Little Rock homes. Style highlights. Complement traditional, colonial, and modern home designs with their clean lines and symmetrical appearance. Available in a variety of frame materials, finishes, and colors to match your home's aesthetic. Customizable options, including grid patterns and hardware finishes, allow you to create a personalized look. Whether you're updating a historic home or adding a touch of elegance to a contemporary design, double-hung windows enhance curb appeal and interior charm. Improved safety and security. Safety is a top priority for any homeowner, and double-hung windows are designed with features to keep your family and home secure. Safety features. Locking mechanisms. Modern double-hung windows include sturdy locks to prevent unauthorized access. Ventilation control. Open the top sash while keeping the bottom sash locked, ensuring airflow without compromising safety. Durable frames and glass. Materials like impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames add an extra layer of security. For families in Little Rock, these safety features provide peace of mind while maintaining the functionality of your windows. Increased home value. Installing double-hung windows is a smart investment that can increase your home's value and appeal to potential buyers. Value-adding benefits. Energy-efficient windows are a major selling point in today's real estate market, especially for eco-conscious buyers. Timeless design and modern functionality enhance your home's overall aesthetics. Easy maintenance and durability reduce long-term costs, making your property more attractive. For Little Rock homeowners planning to sell in the future, double-hung windows are a worthwhile upgrade that delivers a high return on investment. Versatility for every room. Double-hung windows are suitable for virtually any room in your home, offering both practicality and style. Room-specific benefits. Living rooms. Allow natural light to flood your main living spaces, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Bedrooms. Provide excellent ventilation and privacy with adjustable sashes. Kitchens and bathrooms. Enhance ventilation to remove cooking odors, steam, and humidity. This versatility makes double-hung windows a practical choice for any Little Rock home. Long-lasting durability. Modern double-hung windows are built to withstand the challenges of Little Rock's climate, from humid summers to rainy seasons and occasional storms. Durability. Features. Weather-resistant materials protect against warping, rotting, and corrosion. High-quality hardware ensures smooth operation even after years of use. Professional installation guarantees a secure fit and long-lasting performance. With proper care, double-hung windows can serve your home for decades. Final thoughts. Double-hung windows are a versatile, functional, and stylish choice for Little Rock homes. From their energy efficiency and enhanced ventilation to their timeless design and durability, these windows offer numerous benefits that improve your home's comfort and value. If you're considering upgrading your windows, partner with a trusted window professional in Little Rock to explore customization options and ensure expert installation. With double-hung windows, you'll enjoy a more beautiful, efficient, and secure home for years to come.